Okay, my name is Sandra Seleni Garcia. This is my activity for the materials and lesson planning. Lesson planning for adolescents. The level A2, learning strategic reading and speaking. Topic the daily routines. The object for the lesson is for students to be able to describe in a short way the activities they carry out daily and sociality them with their other classmates. This in order to develop speech, reading, and listening skills. Warm up. The teacher will give an explanation about what daily routines are and how their serves daily to describe the activities we done and be able to share them in a short and clear way. Therefore, the students will begin to make a small survey of their daily activities, such as what time they get up, what time they are ready at school, what other extracurricular activities they perform in order to look at where they understand the subject and that vocabulary to the handlet. For this part is 25 minutes presentation. Based on the worksheet, the teacher will present to the students the topic to be discussed and the activities that will be carried out to achieve the understanding of the topic. For that purpose, they will use the projection of their work plan and will the students the objects of being and doing for that topic. 10 minutes. Practice in this part of the lesson plan. The teacher will evaluate the vocabulary that the students have about daily routines, present a video, and the discussion forum will be held to chart the different students' routines. This look at the video. For the part, use the TV and the board. In this video, this difference in vocabulary or routines. The production taking into account the previous video and the opportunity to learn the vocabulary, the teacher will carry out an activity where he provide the students with a small text with both routines are from these short fat questions to the time the compression of the text. This is activity. This is the text the students answer the 5 questions. And materials the TV, board, video beam, printing text, and video. An assessment, the evaluation will be done in short and dynamic ways so and not generate stress in the students. Learning for this purpose, the teacher will deliver a sub-letters where the students must find several routines seen during class. This will help the teacher measure the grade and understanding the student has during class. The lesson planning for the adults, A2 the level, reading and speaking, and the object is in understand the difference between superlatives and comparatives through a simple activity such as shopping at the market. They can practice vocabulary and apply the subject to the study. Therefore, the teacher will clearly explain what they are superlative and comparative and how to use them in short sentence or a conversation. They present a video for superlatives and comparatives with their recipients example. For the activity, resource imagine project and TV, and the activity is in 25 minutes. This introduction and explanation for the superlative and In the presentation shown a superlative comparative infogram, the teacher will the the students what the grammar ruler and then using then I give the samples to apply within a sentence. The teacher can really worship on a strange topic and make the class an enriched activity. Practice for this state the teacher will ask questions about kind of fruits, vegetables, or other products can be found inside a supermarket and thus evaluate the vocabulary and pronunciation of the students. This practice affords them expand their vocabulary and they make comparisons between and product and other which can be size, color, text, etc. This records is a video for the shopping in the supermarket and the 10 minutes. Production solve the following question according to what they should study in class and in groups. 3 people, the activity will carry out and purchase by the supermarket where students must make small sales of product requests in the previous class and apply what insists in class. This is the question the students is answer. The materials be TV board, imagine project, video. Assessments, the evaluation in part with the video, the was record and the time of the shopping activity in the supermarket and the answer to the question asked about this in order to measure vocabulary, speech and greeting. Depending on the result, we will evaluate necessary to strengthen the subject. This is my activity. Thank you very much.